Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, before we start any repairs, I always shampoo and make sure that the piece I'm repairing is clean. So the client sent me the closure and some whiffs to go with it. So I'm going to take my Love My Crown shampoo, and I have this container here so you can see how much dirt come out. And I'm going to do it at lukewarm. And I'll make sure that the hair is saturated very well. Then I'm going to take maybe a pump and a half of my Love My Crown. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to rub it through. You don't want to do this because you don't want it to start tangling. And what I'm doing now is making sure there is no dirt in it. So now I'm just going to take it, switch it around, and you see the color of the water. That's letting me know, okay, I need to shampoo this piece maybe more than once. So I'm going to take that and pour that out because I don't want that in there. So with my Love My Crown shampoo, now I just dipped it in there to show you guys, give you guys an example of what it looks like when it has a lot of a closure, whatever you're working on has a lot of dirt in it when you need to shampoo it more than once. So with our Love My Crown shampoo, you basically let it sit for 3 minutes. That's all you need is 3 minutes. So you will leave the shampoo like this and let it sit for 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, get as much of the shampoo out as possible. And what I'm doing now is seeing how much dirt. See, now it's not even nearly as much dirt and product that was in it before. So I already went ahead and washed the whiffs the same time. So before I proceed, I'm just make sure there's no tangles in this closure before I proceed, because you do not want to start with tangles. It will be a mess. So now I'm gonna take my conditioner through, and this also sits in for 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna take the whiffs that I already washed while I was waiting for the closure, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And you let this sit for 3 minutes. Rinse the conditioner out of the closure and the whiffs. Put the lace closure to the side. Then I'm going to grab the whiffs and I'm going to rinse them. Making sure I rinse all the conditioner out because I don't want no kind of product buildup at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a wide tooth comb. I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to make sure all my tangles are out before I start the drying process. Remember what I said, you do not want to start with tangles, and you gently get the tangles out. You don't rip or you're going to cause more damage to the closure. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some painter's tape and I'm just gonna put about 2 strips on my wig block. I'm using this so I can see what I am ventilating. And because I'm doing a repair, I don't really need a pattern because the lace closure is my pattern. So as you can see, the hair is completely dry, and now I can move forward with my repairs. So just for filming purposes, I'm gonna use these ballpoint pens so you can see the pens. And I'm pinning them down because I do not want this closure to really move while I start repairing. So I'm going to the edge of the closure and sticking pins. Working my way. I don't want to risk tearing the lace. Okay, so now as you can see, I have pinned both sides. This is the front of the lace closure. This is the back. So the way I'm gonna ventilate it, I'm gonna turn it. So when I'm ventilating everything back to go back to the natural state it was before. So the knots that I'm doing are single knots. I'm gonna pick up probably 1 strand at a time, and I'm gonna do every hole because of the density of this closure.